Here is a clever DIY hack you can use on a locked padlock if you lost your keys. Take out a box of matches and remove the fire heads to make fine grains. Pour as much as you can the grains into the padlock keyhole and fill it up using a toothpick. Cut to size a welding rod and carefully insert it into the padlock keyhole filled with matches grains. Place it where it's safe and light the welding rod with a lighter. The ignition of the matches grains inside the padlock causes its locking system to be released because of the pressure inside, and the padlock is unlocked.